Hi, I am Professor T.V. Rao, currently Chairman of TVRLS at Bangalore. I was a professor at IIM Ahmedabad between 1973 and 2013. Uh, I am associated with teaching human resource development, organizational behavior, entrepreneurship, and a large number of other programs. It's a pleasure that I will be spending about two sessions with the MBA students of the Indian Institute of Management, Jammu. I look forward to spending these 3 hours with you. I'll be taking two sessions. One session dealing with personal effectiveness, and the other session dealing with motivational profiles. Both these dimensions are very important in entrepreneurship and entrepreneurial orientation. I plan to give two tests for this. The first test is a test which is a combined test in which you are required to write an essay about yourself, titled as Who Am I, for 10 minutes time. Along with that is a personal effectiveness questionnaire which has about 40 items. You're supposed to answer that and then mail it to us. The second test is the one where there is a paired comparison test where you have 21 pairs, and depending on your preference you will have to distribute 5 marks between each pair. The instructions will be explained to you, and I request you, we are sending all the three tests together so that you can, it does take more than about half an hour to 40 minutes. You complete the tests and submit your responses. You will receive, on submitting your responses, your scores, but don't worry at this point of time about your scores. When I come to the class, I will be discussing with you the implications of these scores and implications for entrepreneurship and so on. Till then, I think have patience and have fun and enjoy the first few sessions which Professor Sunil Shukla will be taking. I look forward to seeing all of you, and we will have some interesting time together. All the best from TVRLS and from Bangalore here.